Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
Tēnā koutou katoa, nau mai haere mai te whānau, nau mai haere mai ki te papa I oia, mo te whakataitai whutupāoro, mo te first 15 nationals, te kēmu I tēnei rā, kei te wahine, te kura o hine waiora me Owairua.
Hei kona, hei hikaka mātou, kia mātaki ngā pukinga, atera, atera. And away we go, ladies and gentlemen, here in the bronze medal match today.
Yeah, excellent game that was. They had a great comeback. They used the wind in that game. And that's what's happened over the last couple of days with this rugby. It's depending on who utilises the wind and the weather conditions the best.
Hard running, here comes the co-captain Williams. Here she pushes one off, might take another, and she will dot over in the corner. There's a bit of overcast conditions, potential for a light splattering of rain throughout the day. So, ball skills and handling got to be at the top of the priority today. Christchurch will rumble that one forward. Now comes the big one, Judd. Marshall's up, only a metre or so short of the line now. Pick and go, Otautahi, and they are in. Leo Savai getting close. Another pick and go, about 14 phases here in a row from Howick. They've got the advantage too. So opportunity of plenty here as they drive one more time. Balance set back. Referee whistle on the mouth, and they tried an intercept, and in this case it doesn't come off, and Howick will dot in.
She's at a barnstormer, especially on defence.
Feeds in, same as Lambert, multiple carries. She feeds that back quickly. Turn back around. Looking to go wide here, dummy pass, now the pass, brilliant ball handling skills, and it's Poppy Baxter.
Owairua, no reira he no noke.
Here we go, Lambert off the back of the scrum, she will not be denied. She's marched in the metres today, and she marches this one right into the try line. That's where these young ladies can end up, they're away at the World Cup. Their next match of the World Cup coming up soon. Can't wait for that one.
Nice little chip kick downfield there by Baxter. Just regained there by the Howick girls. Oh, excellent play there by Otautahi. Hurihanganui.
Quick start here from Otautahi. Surging for the line. Advantage played. They'll come back to the right side, and Otautahi Christchurch will score. And it's all to do with the pressure, the moment, and the opportunity.
What's the blood?
Nice pass from the protocol there to Poppy Yaram.
This one to the left side now, finding some edge. Baxter shovels it on. Gray ranging out wide, the open side flanker. Full back into it, Croft. 7 or 8 metres out now from the try line. Edwards. Otautahi Christchurch composed. A dummy, and through she goes. Mika Lenny just sells the carbon farming farm, and dots down under the post.
Poppy Yaram's had a good game, carries the ball forward. Lenny.
Judd now, trudging up the metres. 8 metres out from Howick try line. Kaiwa Wiles not happy.
Go.
Referee Hotana, as they'll have a quick restart. Otautahi playing at pace now. Couple of metres short. A pick up and go. Kaiwa Wiles got the arm up straight away, and she is a dance move and a half. Jin Leo Noor, fresh jersey out there, fresh legs, as they'll drive just 1 metre short now, Howick. Pick and go. Defence still solid here from Otautahi. Driving forward, Howard short. Opportunity is here. Howick need a score. Couple of minutes left. They'll push. This time they'll push. This time they're through, and it's replacement player Madison Rose. Pushed back a little bit here. Good defence from Howick. Lenny, she's been good today, the fly half.
Yeah, she's had a superb game. Potentially the player of the day for me, Chopper. The young number 9, Mika Lenny.
And there you go. There is the final whistle, ladies and gentlemen. The 2025 bronze medal winner at the New Zealand Barbarians National First 15 Championship, top 4 for 2025. The Hini Pounamu bronze medal will go to Ōtautahi Christchurch Girls High School, 29 points to 15.
Everybody that I know,
Yeah, they down with this.
Mātakitaki,
Cause they down with this.
Mātakitaki.